Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to clean the keyboard of your MacBook Pro. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to three things: the MacBook Pro, the cleaning liquids, and a couple of cotton buds. So now we can start the tutorial. And so take one cotton bud, add some fairy to it. Not too much, not too less, just the right amount. And now we can clean the keyboard. Look at this. All the dirt is being removed. I'll do the same thing with the other tip. Not too much, not too less. And now once that has been done, use another cotton bud with water and repeat the process all over again. And that's how you clean the MacBook Pro computer keyboard using liquids and cotton bud. That's it with this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.